We have Renee Carlson. Welcome to the committee, and please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Madam Chair and members of the committee. My name is Renee Carlson. I serve as General Counsel for True North Legal. Senate File 70, the how-to manual for Senate File 1, goes far beyond any interpretation of the Minnesota Supreme Court case Doe v. Gomez. It cannot be stated that the court's interpretation of the constitutional right to abortion in Minnesota necessarily implies that all other health and safety regulations regarding abortion are unconstitutional. Yet Senate File 70 eliminates all protections for preborn children, women, and young girls. Senate File 70 repeals the Infants Born Alive Act, thus cattle and reptiles will have more legal protections in Minnesota than Minnesota's vulnerable preborn children. Legal penalties for animal cruelty in Minnesota range from misdemeanor up to a felony, while there is no criminal penalty for leaving a preborn child to die on a cold metal table. Senate File 70 removes criminal penalties for the intentional death of a child resulting from an illegal abortion, regardless of gestation, even if that same child would be the victim of a crime, but for the cause of death being an abortion. Such a double standard in the law will undoubtedly elicit confusion for policymakers and the courts. Existing health and safety protections regarding who can perform an abortion, where an abortion can be performed, and whether the parents of a minor child will be informed about their young daughter's abortion is also being repealed. Moreover, Minnesota taxpayers will now incur the cost of paying for abortion on demand, something opposed by 58% of Americans. Based on elusive claims about access to abortion and insufficient public notice or debate, Senate File 70 invites inconsistency and confusion of the law, as well as severe legal consequences. It is a radical overhaul of Minnesota's abortion laws and is out of step with the desires of most Minnesotans. Thank you. I encourage you to read my testimony submitted for the record.